Happy Sunday reset, my loves. In today's Clean With Me, we're going to be tackling a lot of cleaning, restocking, and organizing inside the kitchen. I've completed just about all of the cupboards when it comes to cleaning and restocking and organizing. I just have a few more to complete and I decided to take you guys along with me. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Put me up on your television and clean along with me. Or if you just enjoy watching cleaning motivational videos, then that's no problem. Put me up on TV, kick your feet up, relax, and enjoy. I've been meaning to tackle my spice cabinet for a while now, especially after the holidays ended. We did a lot of cooking. I did a lot of, showing you guys recipe ideas, cocktail ideas, and a lot of my spices are unorganized. They're not in alphabetical order, and I do like to have my spices in alphabetical order, as well as I just need to take everything out and clean up any spills and sanitize and just disinfect the entire cabinet before we go ahead and just restock it and reorganize it. After dusting down the cabinets with my Swiffer duster, I'm going to go ahead and disinfect it with my Sagriton kitchen disinfecting spray. And I'm just going to wipe everything down with a microfiber cloth and make sure everything is clean and refreshed before we go ahead and restock the pantry. Do you guys have any goals for your home this year or any personal goals? I have a lot of goals, or should I say New Year's resolutions. Goals, New Year's resolutions, they're basically the same thing. It's just things that you set to complete for the year. And one of my resolutions or goals for the year is to make sure that my home is always organized. I'm trying to stay on top of that. So you're going to see a lot of organizational videos every now and then because that is a really big goal of mine. So what are some of your goals for your home or personal goals? For example, weight loss, or I don't know, travel more, whatever goals you have, let me know. I just want to know. I'm being nosy, okay? I just want to know your goals, just one goal that you have for yourself for 2025. This second cabinet is my spillover cabinet, so any extra spices that I have or the spices that I use to refill my containers with are kept on this side of the cabinet, as well as all of my teas. And we drink a lot of tea in this house. So I have my teas and my cocoa and whatnot in here. I'm just going to take everything out so we can clean out this cupboard as well. I'm also going to take this time to write my grocery list. So if there's anything that I need to replace, I'm going to write that on my list, and also throw away anything that may be expired. I'm also going to take this time to refill and restock the other side of the cabinet and the other little spice containers. If the lighting seems a little bit off, I want to apologize. It is because I'm using my ring light. We have absolutely no sunlight, so I'm basically depending on artificial light alone. So if it seems off, I apologize, but I am doing my best. I hope you guys are enjoying it in spite of the glares here and there. I wanted to share with you guys how easy it is to make all of your mixed seasonings. For example, I wanted to make the Cajun seasoning with you guys just to show you that you could make it at home, and you can also make it where it doesn't have a lot of sodium inside it. But I realized I was out of Zwiebel pulver, which is onion powder, as well as Knoblauch pulver, which is garlic powder, so I couldn't make it with you guys. I'm just trying to teach you guys a little bit of German as we go. So Zwiebel pulver is onion powder, and Knoblauch pulver is garlic powder. So a little German for the day. So I decided to leave that alone, and I'll probably share it with you guys in a short or something like that. But I really want to show you guys how easy it is to just go ahead and create your own mixed seasoning in batches, and you can save a lot on it, as well as you can, maintain or monitor how much sodium is inside your mixed seasonings or your seasoning mixes. I hope you guys are enjoying today's clean with me. Let me know if you enjoy it. where I dedicate a cleaning day for a certain space, or if you like those videos where I do a little bit of everything inside it, so I'll tackle a little bit in the kitchen, the living room, the bedroom, etc. Or do you prefer me to just leave it in smaller batches where I dedicate some time in the kitchen and show you what I'm doing there, and then I dedicate another video in the living room, so on and so forth. Let me know also if you guys have any video ideas that you would like to see from me that's within my home making niche, because I wouldn't say I'm under a certain niche, but I do more homemaking and cleaning motivational videos, as well as a little bit of lifestyle. But things that I usually do, if you want to see more of a certain thing, just let me know down in the comment section. Now that I'm done just organizing and cleaning up those cabinets, I basically already completed the cabinets on the other end, and I don't know why I didn't record it for you guys, but I did. I really cleaned those cabinets. Like, I took everything out, cleaned out all of the containers and refilled them, and it was a lot. And I think I probably didn't because I wanted to just dedicate my focus to it and not have to worry about getting different angles. So that's probably why I didn't record it, but I got a lot completed on the other side of the kitchen. So to go ahead and finish clean down the cabinets, I'm just using that Sagraton disinfectant and my microfiber cloth. I'm just cleaning down all of the cabinets and the handles, as well as the countertops and the backsplash, before we move on to cleaning the stove. This is my husband's and I first glass top stove, so I am using a new stove cleaner, and this is specifically for glass tops. So I'm just spraying a little on and using a sponge to just rub it in really good with the more coarse side of the sponge, and then to take most of the product off, I'm using the softer side of the sponge and then just buffing it dry with a napkin or a microfiber cloth. But I am open to recommendations for those of you that do have glass top stoves. Recommend some products for me to try out, please. I would definitely appreciate it. This stove is pretty new, but I'm not sure if this cleaner is doing a good job or not. So if you guys have some better recommendations or ideas of some products that I should try out, leave that down in the description box for me, please. What I love about our new stove is that the knobs actually go in, and you can actually press them and they'll come out for you to use. And then for safety, you press them and they go back in. I think that is really nifty for safety purposes. And once the stove is on, the knobs don't go in, so you'll know if you leave a burner on. And also the oven door is soft close, which is cool. I've never heard of a soft close oven, but ours is soft close, so that is pretty cool. We're enjoying it so far. The stove is fairly clean. I'm just giving the glass a good wipe down to take off any watermark or whatever might have fallen on it, as well as just to give the inside a good wipe down. But other than that, it does not need a deep cleaning. we are nearing the end of today's Clean with Me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. If you did enjoy the video, remember to give me a thumbs up. Also, comment down below. Y'all know I love chatting it up with you guys. And share this video with someone, a friend, a family member. Sharing is caring. And I will see y'all in the next one. Also, if you're not subscribed, please remember to subscribe before you leave. And I will see y'all in the next video. Until then, Auf Wiedersehen.